Our last question for the day was sent to us by Lina Varias. She asks, Dear Bishop, I am a regular viewer of your program and your kababayan from Silang, Cavite. Oh, kababayan niya. I make it a point not to miss your program every Sunday before going to Mass because I understand better the readings and the Gospel the way you explain it. Bishop, I have a question. I want to be enlightened on the difference between forgiveness and reconciliation. I hope you would provide a space or time to answer my query. Thank you very much, and may our Lord continue to bless you so that, in return, we will continue to be nourished spiritually through your program. God bless, Lina. Lina, you are posing a wonderful question. The difference between forgiveness and reconciliation. Yes, they are quite different, but they are interrelated. Okay. Forgiveness means through an act of faith, an act of hope, an act of love, I tell the person who has sinned against me, I have not given up on you. I believe that there is still some good in you. I believe you are capable of becoming a different person, a better person. That's why, while I condemn the fault or the sin that you committed against me, you, the sinner, is someone that I love. I don't want you to get lost. Okay. The forgiveness is focused on that. Now, I abhor the sin, but I, through my love and forgiveness, hope for the good of the sinner. Now, I settle that within myself. I forgive the person who has hurt me or has sinned against me. Sana, the fruit of forgiveness received by the other person, the sinner forgiven, the fruit of it is reconciliation. Diba? If I have forgiven you and you have received my forgiveness, uuwi sa reconciliation. Now, reconciliation as the fruit of forgiveness does not come automatically, even if I have already forgiven. Kasi even if I have forgiven someone who has hurt me, if the other person does not want to be reconciled, we will remain separate. Diba? Now, but it does not diminish my forgiving him or her, my having forgiven him or her. Kaya posibleng mangyari, napatawad na kita, pero hindi pa rin umuuwi sa tunay na pagkakasundo. Kasi kung minsan, ayaw pang magkasundo. Ito ang aking payo. Kahit hindi pa nagkakasundo, basta magpatawad. And let the reconciliation come as a welcome fruit or gift of our acts of forgiveness.